This is just a part of our yard.
Huh? Would you
A lot
like
of snow. Outside. All the snow, we shoveled most of the yard, but all the snow is up really, really high and take you to the front yard. The driveway was horrible. It had the snow in. We just chiseled into it. The height that you see is pretty much the height that it was up to. This is pretty much as tall as I am. Come down the driveway and you can still see the street is in horrible condition. Right here is some untouched snow. It's about chest high. Go back to the backyard because they're playing in the snow. So, I know I haven't made a video in a while. My internet's still down, but hopefully in the next week that's going to get fixed and I'll have my net. I'll be able to post as many videos as I can, but in the meantime, I'm just going to make these little quickie videos that I can post straight to YouTube from my phone. You stuck?
Yeah.
So silly. She's so crazy. Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
Can't hear you.
Bye.
Say it louder.
Bye, YouTube.